Good morning, ABR MarketWatch viewers. Let's kick off this Thursday with a double dose of excitement as we eagerly anticipate crucial inflation reports that could sway the Federal Reserve's upcoming policy decisions. Today, we have the Producer Price Index, followed by the Consumer Price Index tomorrow, both critical indicators for our economy, and a significant move. Oracle soared 28% in after-hours trading, reporting an astounding 1,529% increase in multi-cloud database revenue from tech giants like Amazon, Google, and Microsoft. With multiple billion-dollar contracts signed during Q1 and growing interest in Oracle Cloud infrastructure, CEO Safra Catz remains optimistic about the cloud outlook. Yesterday, the Nasdaq Composite closed at yet another record high, with the Dow and S&P 500 also experiencing minor gains. The tech-heavy Magnificent Seven propelled the S&P 500 to an all-time high, despite Apple's slight dip post its product launch event. Surprisingly, Oracle rallied a further 30% in after-hours trading, driven by a strong showing in Oracle's cloud deals backlog. As we look ahead, the market is keeping a close eye on the upcoming August CPI data due Thursday, which could influence the Fed's decision on interest rates. Economists expect a 2.9% annual rise, but a hotter-than-expected reading might keep rates higher for longer, while a softer print would strengthen expectations for a September rate cut. The market is braced for some volatility around this release. In other news, the stock market's upward trajectory continues as investors bet on the Federal Reserve initiating a rate-cutting cycle following this week's inflation data. Fitch Ratings has upgraded the U.S. growth forecast to 1.6%, but warns of an underlying economic slowdown. Meanwhile, the Fed Governor Lisa Cook will participate in this week's policy meeting after a judge allowed her to stay at the central bank. In a surprising turn of events, the Supreme Court has agreed to hear arguments regarding the Trump administration's tariff-related levies, while President Trump expressed optimism about reaching a tariff-reducing trade agreement with India. Lastly, European defense stocks climbed after Poland shot down Russian drones within their territory, leading to higher oil prices overall. As always, stay tuned to ABR MarketWatch for the latest market updates and insights.